Imagine waking up in America 50 years from now. No alarm clocks, no traffic jams, and maybe no jobs as we know them today. But here's the real question. Will life be better or lonelier? Stay with me, because what you're about to see might change how you see the future. In 50 years, Americans won't rush to work every morning. AI will handle most jobs, driving, teaching, even surgeries. People won't work to survive. They'll work to feel alive. Homes will think for you. Lights, food, temperature, everything controlled by your voice or your thoughts. But here's the twist. Even with all this technology, human emotions won't upgrade. People may live longer, 120, even 150 years, but will they feel happier? Loneliness might become America's biggest silent crisis, because when machines do everything, humans forget how to connect. Families will be smaller. Children will grow up with robots as best friends. Marriages may last shorter, but self-love will become more important than ever. People will search for meaning, not money. Yet, there's hope. People will return to nature. Mental health will matter more than status. Spirituality may rise again, not religion, but purpose. In the future America, the richest person won't be the one with the most money, but the one with peace. So the real question isn't, what will America look like in 50 years? The real question is, are we preparing our hearts for that future, or just our technology? If this made you think, like this video, share it with someone who worries about the future, and subscribe, because the